A horrific accident involving a company vehicle transporting chiefs from Thalchhara has left 4 people demised and 3 others injured, with the casualties initially rushed to Chawmanu Hospital for medical treatment. According to reports, a horrific accident occurred at around 4:30 p.m. today when a vehicle registration number TR05B1792 transporting chiefs from Thalchhara suddenly lost control and crashed, leaving 4 people dead on the spot and 3 others seriously injured, who were initially rushed to Chawmanu Hospital before being referred to Khorang Hospital for advanced medical treatment. The deceased have been identified as Dinjoy Tripura, Majida Tripura, Butters Joy Tripura and Narujoy Tripura.
4 spot dead though, not dead 4 passengers serious normally one already Khorang Hospital to register already one already होगा. then Dinjoy गंगा stable इपर बुद्धि दौरे फरना है खाना है चुने फरना है और already admitted hospital.
Ingat poison ada.
4 charge na spot.
Charge na ada tu mana? Ingat final na mungkin sesuai mana?
Mungkin record kajian ya because हम program ini को असर खाना लगे ये से record खाना kita बाबू
The driver of the vehicle is reportedly among the injured, while another individual involved is said to be absconding. A shadow of grief has enveloped the entire area following the incident. Reported by Biplov from Chawmanu, Chini, Khorang.